Hey guys, what's up? And today I am going to teach you the advanced LINQ query, which is very useful for that. Uh, so this is a very advanced query where I am going to teach you a few methods which is helpful for your upcoming projects or in a LINQ sequence. So here I am going to give you the import tag method. How could we use import method, add list of data rows, and also in a LINQ query we can use and also as well, and clone data table. So I will explain you one by one. It might be this video might be a little bit longer, so there is a more useful video for you to learn the LINQ query. So let me move to the my example where I draw a one sequence. So I will show you my task, what I'm doing here. So first I create one data table where I have a few records, like one column is income and other column is expenditure, and there is a few records, that is 3000, 4000, 3000 and 4000. Expenditure is also the same record, but here as you notice here is some columns, like some rows or cells is empty, and a few dates have same values, and one is 4000 and other is here. So this is the I just create this build using build data table, and I put this data table as a DT1, and in the message box I am taking the count of this particular data table, how many rows is there. And there is a one LINQ query which I want to show you, and yeah, so this is a query which I am using to work on it. So I will move it there because it's showing the error. So this is a data table as enumerable, where is a function I'm creating, the lambda functions which are with income. So that is my income. So income is not nothing, so this find the value where the income is not nothing, and income there must be a value. And also Microsoft Visual Basic Information, it is a numeric functions where I am using that one is income must be a numeric, and this one. And the third condition I am using here, the double, the pass, I'm converting this like the value into double, so the income, so it could be equal with the double. I put it 3000 as you shown in my like data table. So I have the value of 3000. So as I shown, I have a value, there is a one null value as well, so I am getting the value which have the 3000 as well as this is the number, and I need the value where there is not a null value, there must be a value, like here is a null value. So my query will not get this value, it will get only this and this three records here. So I will show you this one, and I will what I do here, I store this particular data table in a one list of row items. So I will create this, I will show you this list item. So this is a list item, this is a list where I am putting the data row, complete data row in each list. So I have list of the variable, inside there is a data row, and I am taking the count of the list, how many values I found it here, and then I run a for loop. I also tell you the clone method where I am cloning this one. So basically the clone is used for a data table, it is used to clone the particular like a field, so like a header. So if you have some values, like if you have some data table or Excel sheet, and you just want a like a header only, you don't want the value or something, so you just make a clone. So it is remove the all values from there and just create the data table without any value and with header. So in this case you can use the clone. So I just created a second data table variables with the clone. So it is the same data table but without value, and I am counting this one here. I am running the for loop with the list of row items, and the first row item I importing the row. So this is very important. The method which I use here, import row will what do, they will import the complete row from the target object to to the particular object. So the import row is like it's importing the complete rows. So, and the second thing is I'm storing this data in a data table 2, and I am passing this item dot this one as a parameter. So this is int item at a data row and item this one. So this is the parameter where I am taking the complete data row in item and storing that in data table 2. And the same I did, I'm using the output data table to show the result, the convert the value in a passing the data table, and then taking that in string value, and I'm putting the message box to what the value we found. So first the message box is showing the complete how many records is here, and the second will show how many data found by the Linq query. In Linq does this count, and the third one will show the last of the count, how many record import in the particular DT2 data table, and the third one is show the result. So let me run this query, let me run this sequence, and I will show you the result, how it's coming. And guys, this is very important. Like I cover most of the method here, which is very useful for your upcoming projects, or you need to be upskill for that. So this is the import method and add list item and add also. So the result is come. So my current data table have the record of 5 records, and then I move it on, and the data table, and this one is a list row item. So I found only 3 records which have the 3000s value. So as you see the query here, what I'm firing the query, this is where function income is not nothing. It means there is a value, and then it must be a 3000, and there is a value must be 3000 and stored in a list, and then 3000. This is the 3 records, and then after that we have result. So there is a 2 columns here, income or expenditure, that is 3000, 3000 and 2000. This is the same. So this is the output of this table. And if you have any queries related with this sequence, or do you have any queries, please comment me out, or like drop me a mail. I will revert back to you as soon as possible. And thank you so much for watching, guys. Please subscribe and like the videos so that I could motivate and I could make more videos related with that. Take care. Have a nice day. Bye bye.